Okay, everybody, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. This is the wings that we were stretching before we're going to go fly off the Ultra Stick. Now, there is a major problem. I decided to take the time and show it. So, you see here, right where my finger is, how it's melted. There is 4 servo in the wings, okay? There is 2 ailerons, and there's left and right aileron, and then there is flaps. All those servos, as soon as I plug them in, what they did, the programming on their internet downloader going to do this, everything gone up to one direction, and then before you have time to even go and disconnect your the servo, it will actually gonna start catching fire. So this is a warning. If you have this problem, you should contact Horizon Hobby. This is really a warning. I'm pretty pissed off about that because I got this specific airplane to teach people how to fly with, to try to get more people flying. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one, and there is a bigger servo here from iTech. What I'm going to do is you see it's like kind of a little bit bigger, but weight wise it should not be that much heavier. This is plastic gear, this is digital, so I believe that they will weigh exactly the same. Now we were flying with analog regular servos for a very long time, and there was never a problem, and this is high voltage servo, so it should not have any problem. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put those two on a scale just to see that they are more or less the same. Couple grams will not matter that much for the weight and balance because it's in the center of the wings. And then I'm gonna need to take my Dremel tool and cut this piece out and put this servo right there. And then I'm gonna, of course, have to adjust the rod over here. This is pretty bad because I have 4 of those happen at the same time, and if it was in mid-air, it's mean that the airplane with everything you put inside is gonna be probably about close to $700, will be destroyed in one punch. So this is something to check. You know, the problem is right now when we contact Horizon as a shop, they don't even have those servos. So those are special servo that they have for their size, for their power, and yeah, they don't have them in stock until the end of the month. And then whenever they tell you the end of the month, it's kind of a big maybe. And I think what happened, someone set those things up in the factory, and they did not set up right the steering servo on this, so it steered all the way, all of them, to one direction. So I guess they started from, instead of from the 0 point, they started from a 90 degrees or something like that. Although you know, like, it could be the programming. I don't think it was the programming from their website. If you go to Spectrum, you can download the programming for every airplane. Problem is, as soon as you plug in your battery, everything moved up, so you could not really stop it. It's the time that it took to disconnect the battery. After it's got binded, everything got up and burned all the servos. There's 2 other servos inside of the airplane for the elevator and rudder. I'm going to change those as well, because if it's burned that bad right away, I don't want to even take a risk for fully aerobatic heavy airplane to fall apart and hurt someone. This is quick video. I know it kind of sucks that I need to do videos like this of warning, but warning is for everybody. It's you know, I'm a shop. I'm very responsible. I don't want people to buy stuff to go and get hurt. I'm telling you this is the first airplane that actually I see it in right now. I was reading online that other people is having problem with the same servo on other airplanes from Horizon. So please pay attention. Again, I'm the dealer for them, and I'm telling you to open your eyes. Obviously they're not going to bother doing that. They don't see it as a pandemic. It's not, if it's not in every airplane. But if I have 4 of them in one airplane, it's a big problem. See you in my next video. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye.